The all-new Zenmuse L3 combines a 1,535 nanometers high-energy laser, a small laser spot, and multiple returns to deliver powerful penetration for forestry surveying. Successful forestry surveys depend on accurate terrain data and complete vegetation information. Paired with Matrice 400, the Zenmuse L3 performs real-time terrain following to ensure accurate data collection across complex terrain. Its laser pulses penetrate dense forest canopy, capturing high-density ground points beneath the canopy. DJI Terra enables one-click export of point clouds, DEM, and a full range of data formats. DJI Modify then enables fine-grained terrain classification, producing deliverables that meet professional survey standards. So how do you capture complete vegetation information? The Zenmuse L3 features an articulating gimbal that supports oblique photogrammetry flight routes, enabling multi-angle capture for more detailed vegetation point clouds. Once intelligently classified in DJI Modify, point cloud data can be imported into LiDAR 360 for individual tree segmentation, extracting tree positions, heights, and counts to support accurate timber volume assessments. From terrain mapping to vegetation surveys, the Zenmuse L3's integrated hardware-software workflow brings greater precision and efficiency to every forestry operation.